So I finally bought a new bandsaw, Felder, and I'm really pleased with it. It's a bit big in my workshop, but I just about get it in. And I'm going to do some cut tests on various blades which I've bought. I'm looking for a fine finish I can. I'm trying to get rid of a table saw, which I don't really use much anymore, and I don't have the room. I've ended up using the track saw for most of that stuff, and I find the bandsaw just safer and quicker. But my old one wasn't very good, wasn't very powerful. I've got quite a lot of walnut to cut. I'm just going to set up some of the new bits that's arrived for it, and I'm hoping they fit on the end of my planer to extend the table. I've managed to fit this extension, which is really handy. And that's perfectly flush. It gives me, well, like another metre. It's not actually made by Felder. I think the Felder one's about £300. I think this one cost me something like £100, and the handy thing is it fits on my planer as well. So one of the things I really liked on the Felder, as opposed to any others, was the fact that it had a rail on the front, on the feed side as well. So I've bought these extension kits for the table, and it means you can have an extension on the way in and out, and also with the really long aluminium one, which I had already, makes it very flexible. So I'm just going to try and sort out one of these kits that's arrived. So this weighs an absolute ton. It is cast iron. So let's see how it goes on. Should just lay it on, and then it will need some adjustments. We've got two front adjusters here. That should adjust the back. And some locking screws when we get that done. There's a large plate. Secures it to the tabletop. Large washer. Yeah. It looks like it just squeezes down on that. really high, so hopefully I can slacken that off a bit. There. It's pretty much level. Really good. Gives me a 150. 155 table.